Two Nigerian men in diaspora remortgaged and raised substantial sums each to build a house back home. The prudent of the two, when the building was completed, rented it out to a financial institution who paid for 5 years. He used the proceeds to start building another house. The second person, whom I will call Mr. Simple, put his aged mother in one of the rooms when the building was also completed. The mother, without his consent, allowed the last born of the family, who happened to be a school dropout, to occupy another room. Any maintenance bill on the house was referred to Oga Londoner, even as little as the wedding of the house. Welcome to Sausage Digest, where we simplify and discuss the financial ingredients needed for your financial wellness and live a happy life. My name is Kayode Enrighton, and today I'm going to discuss on the topic, create assets and not liabilities. Create assets and not liabilities. Asset is a useful or valuable thing or person, whereas liability is the state of being legally responsible for something or behavior likely to put one at a disadvantage. And simply put, in a financial terms, assets create incomes, whereas liability dispense or consume income. We all have dreams. We all have aspirations. We all have goals and desire. In law, we all desire to have happiness and live in harmonious life. The fact is, we can only be happy as long as we are not short of any of three requisites of happiness, which are good health, love, and sufficient supply, which are called wealth. Of the three, only sufficient supply can be said to be 100% in our control. Good health is not 100% in our control. Only God gives that, or according to your gene, or the kind of lifestyle that you live. The same thing with love, for you cannot sue anybody if it does not love you. Even if it's your child, you cannot sue he or she if it doesn't love you. But with hard work and God blessing, you can have sufficient surplus. You can be rich if you're hardworking. It is a good thing for Mr. Simple to put his aged mother in one of the rooms. But what he ought to do next is to rent out the rest of the rooms so that income received will be used for the maintenance of the house. The house you own only becomes an asset to you if it brings income or prevents you from paying rent, particularly when you live in it. It becomes a liability if you have to spend your hard-earned income to maintain it and see parents elsewhere. It is our ability to create wealth that brings riches. I'm going to repeat this. It is our ability to create wealth that brings riches. And that is why fortune, when bequeathed or obtained through jackpot, vanish quickly if the possessor lacks the ability to create wealth in addition to it. Again, I'm going to repeat this. It's important. That is why fortune, when bequeathed or obtained through jackpot, it vanishes quickly if the possessor lacks the ability to create wealth in addition. Create wealth, and the same wealth so created become asset, bringing income to you. Create wealth, and the same wealth so created become an asset, bringing income to you. Wealth creation does not come only in having property. It also comes in putting money into any financial schemes or commercial ventures with the expectation of achieving a profit, which we call investment. Every living person in life consumes daily, from the day you are born to the day you die. Even when you die, people around you have to spend money to bury you. So it is a must that somebody must create what you consume. And that somebody is you, if you are independent, or your parent, family, government, if you are not. So the moment you consume more than you create, there will be problem. So you must have that ability to create wealth and or asset and non-liability for you to achieve that important third requisite of happiness, which is called sufficient supply. If you don't have the ability, you need to go and learn it or obtain it somewhere else. Because life is plus and minus, where the minus is constant. So you must find the plus, otherwise you end up in a deficit life. Life is a plus and minus, where the minus is constant. So you must find the plus, otherwise you end up in a deficit life. You usually become rich when you have the ability to create constant surplus. So create assets and not liability to obtain sound financial wellness and live a happy life. If you lack the ability, go and learn it. And if you already have it, use it. For knowledge obtained and used is the only one that brings benefit to the possessor and the recipient. Knowledge you obtain and use is the only thing that brings benefit to the possessor and the recipient. Contact us at Kenny's Consult for more ingredients needed for your financial wellness and continue to live a happy life. I congratulate you for traveling together with us on this journey of success through the paths of wisdom. To be informed is to be transformed, and not to be informed is to be deformed. My name is Kayode Enraiton, and you can reach me on 074 279 42,000 or 079 5177 5255. I repeat, 074 279 42,000 or 079 5177 5255. Or better still, visit our website, kenningsconsultlimited.uk. kenningsconsultlimited.uk. Enjoy your success.